Good morning, everyone, and happy Tutorial Tuesday. Yep, it's that time of the year again, back to school. It can be an exciting and stressful time for everyone involved. And even though we go through the same routine every year, it feels like it never gets any easier. So let us help you get back in that groove. Managing stress. Talk to your child about any anxieties they may have about returning to school and provide reassurance. Ensure your child gets plenty of rest. Have your children get into the routine of going to bed earlier in the nights leading up to the first day of school. Establish a healthy routine. Practice getting up early and eating a healthy breakfast daily. Check to make sure all your child's school supplies are in order. If it's a new school for your child, take some time to visit the school. Talk about lunches. What is the school serving versus bringing a lunch? Ensure you have water bottles to send with them so they stay hydrated throughout the day, especially in the first few weeks that will hopefully, fingers crossed, be warm. Prepare a fun but functional space for them to do their homework. Help your child set realistic personal and academic goals for the upcoming year. After all your hard work preparing your child for their first big day, let's hope they come home with a few good stories that you can both get a chuckle from about their first day back. And as you're out getting those last-minute school supply items, you can stop by.
Hey everyone, sorry for the interruption, but we wanted you all to know today is Brooke's birthday, so we'd love for you to wish her a happy birthday with us.
Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday, Brooke.
Well, thank you so much. Yep, it's my birthday, but back to the school supply. So, stop by our Shrewsbury branch located at 200 Hartford Turnpike right next to Market Basket on August 24th from 10 a.m. till noon. We'll be there with WXLO on site collecting back to school donations, and we'll have a nice lemonade stand so you can grab a refreshing glass. We'll also have a big bounce house for your kids to play in, and we'll have some breakfast sandwiches and coffee. So make sure to stop by on August 24th from 10 a.m. till noon. It's going to be a blast. Can't wait to see you there.